Hello students, welcome to the basic mathematics series once again. As you know that having a strong command over basic mathematics is prerequisite for the doing well in IIT Advanced, JEE Main and Engineering Entrance Examination. Let's continue to the part 1. In part 1 we have left two of the important focal chord properties, that is 1 by A is equal to 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ. So what is SP? SP is this one SP and this one SQ, and this length is A, and another is PQ, focal chord length will be equal to 4A into cosec square A. What is A? This angle is A, angle made by focal chord with the positive x-axis, that is A. So now come to the most important thing. Actually we have to ask, we are asked this one area of parabola. So we'll try to find out the area of parabola without using integral calculus. So one Archimedes formula is there, that area of parabola segment is equal to 4 by 3 into area of triangle. So this is applicable for the uh, parabola surrounded by this one parabola. Suppose this is y is equal to 4x and this is line x is equal to c. That means here to here it is c, and this this distance, that is this distance will equal to this distance, and this is nothing but a plus c, so this distance will be also a plus c. Then this distance, suppose this one is p, then pt distance is equal to a plus c the whole square, and this distance is a minus c minus a. So a plus c the whole square minus c minus a the whole square under root is equal to root over 4ac, that is equal to 2 root ac. So this is this distance. So full distance is 2 into 2 root ac, that is equal to 4 root ac. Now this is area of parabola segment, full segment, full segment will be 4 by 3 of this. 4 by 3 of this means 4 by 3. So area of triangle. First we have to find the area of triangle. Then OPQ. This is the point Q is equal to half into C into 4 into root AC, that is equal to 2 into C into root AC. So area of parabola segment is equal to 4 by 3 into area of triangle root 2 root C into root AC. So 8 by 3 C into root AC. Now question. Suppose pi square is equal to x parabola is surrounded by x is equal to 4 line. Then c is equal to 4, a is equal to 1 by 4. Then the area of parabola will be area of parabola will be 8 by 3 into 4 into 1 by 4 into 4, that is equal to 32 by 3. This is the answer. So this is the answer. Okay. Now come to the second part. Second part, this type of parabola segment. In this, actually area of parabola, parabola segment will be 2 by 3 of area of PQT, area of PQT. What is PQT? This is the tangent from this point, this is the tangent from this point, and this is the point of intersection. So first, how we'll calculate the area of parabola? So area of area of the triangle. So suppose this one is H, H1, and this one is suppose X. Then half into X into H1 plus half into X into H2 will be area of triangle. So half into X into H1 plus H2. So H1 plus H2 is nothing but by 1 minus by 2. By 1 by 2 what is a coordinate? X1 by 1, and this one is X2 by 2. So half into X into by 1 minus by 2. And now we have to find out the X. So what is the X? Suppose this is point of intersection, that is alpha beta. Anyway, alpha beta we know that alpha is equal to plus minus root over x1 x2, and this sign we take sign as per the sign by 1 into by 2. If by 1 into by 2 is positive, then positive, otherwise negative. So itna is equal to is a arithmetic mean by 1 by 2 divided by 2. So this one is alpha, and from alpha we can know this point also, because you put in this line. I'll suppose you will get alpha 1 beta 1, alpha 1 beta 1. So x will be alpha 1 minus alpha. Alpha beta is there, so beta will be the same by, and this is the alpha 1. So x will be alpha 1 minus alpha by 1 minus by 2. So basically you have to find the point of intersection of this point, this point, this point, and this point. Then you will be able to calculate the area of that triangle, and in that area of triangle you multiply 2 by 3. Let us solve one question. Let us, we are having one parabola, that is y square is equal to 4x, and line is y is equal to x plus y is equal x plus y is equal to 3. So suppose this is a parabola, y is equal to 4x. So and here x plus y is equal to 3, and this length will be 1 a, this is also n. Now you draw a, so first we have to find the point of intersection here and this one. So I'll find, just put the value y square x is equal to y minus 3, x is equal to y minus 3. So here you put 4 and x is equal to y minus 3. So y square minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So y minus 2, 3 minus, sorry, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus y. 3 minus y. So x is equal to 3 minus y. So here plus, here minus. So that will be y minus 2 and y plus 6. Then y is equal to 2 and minus 6. So x will be, x will be y is equal to, we put y is equal to 3, so x will be 1, and फिर y, if put y is equal to, y is equal to minus 6, then x will be 9, then x will be 9. So here coordinate is 1 2, is a 1 2, and here coordinate is 9 9 minus 6. So what will this coordinate? This coordinate is plus minus root x1 x2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. The root x1 x2. So x1 x2 is a 9, then root 3. So whether it take plus or minus, so calculate 2 into minus 6, that is negative. So it will be negative. So negative 3. So this coordinate is negative 3, and this coordinate is minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. Now calculate the area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is half is equal to alpha 1 minus alpha and y1 minus y2. So that is half alpha 1 minus this one. So first you will have to find this one also, alpha 1 also. So here y value is minus 2 only. So put y is equal to minus 2 in that is equation. So y minus 2 you will put, then this point will come 8. Y is equal to minus 2, then now will 3. So x is equal to 5. So here coordinate will come 5 minus 2. So alpha is 5, 5 minus of minus 3, y is 2 minus of minus 6. So half into 8 into 8, 32. Then area of parabola, parabola will be half into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 32. Then is equal to 64 by 3 answer. Thank you.